Hello, this is Dean from ANG. I have been in business of gear motor for 10 years. Now there are more and more suppliers for gear motor. People get confused on how to select the best one. Here I will show you how to select. On the desk, you can see these are gearbox with motor and terminal box. It has power range from 6 watt to 400 watt and speed from 3 rpm to 500 rpm. It is better to choose a motor with stiffener ribs. You can see on this motor, it has smooth surface without any ribs. While on this motor, you can see there is long and a large number of ribs. This is very helpful for heat dissipation and it will make the body stronger. Secondly, it will be better to use motor with higher protection level. For example, when you check this motor, you can see there is big gap between terminal box and the motor. The dust and the water will go inside. When you check this motor, you can see there is a steel plate and a rubber plate between the terminal box and the motor. So the dust and the water will not go inside. And the steel plate also has another function. It will prevent the screw going inside the motor and damaging the rotor. Third one, the nameplate on motor must have enough information. For example, you can see the power, voltage, IP grade, and the output speed, and also wiring diagram. This is for customers to connect the wire. The printing must be clear, and it will not vanish in 10 years. The nameplate has to be heat resistance and corrosion resistance. For bigger motors, it will have a cooling fan on the back of the motor. It is better to use an aluminum fan blade, as it will not deform in the long term, and it has large air volume and more durable. Next, I will open the terminal box and show you inside. For safety purpose, it is better to use a PE wire. This one is yellow and green wire. This is to connect the motor body. When you check this motor, you can see the PE wire didn't connect with the motor body, so it is useless. When you check this motor, you can see there is a PE hole on the body and the PE wire was connected very well to the body. There must be a symbol to identify. You can see on the motor there is a PE label, and on the motor body it is also a PE label. Around this PE hole, the plating must be removed and must use best material for electrical conduction, like brass material. This is the parts inside the gearbox. To increase efficiency, it is better to use ball bearings. like this. Please be careful. For some factories, they use copper tubes. It is cheap, but it will cause a lot of trouble to you because the efficiency will be very low. And it will cause very big noise. Inside the motor, it is rotor and stator. And also please be careful. Many factories they use old rotor, old stator, and substitute steel. So please ask your suppliers to use new stator, new rotor, 100% copper wire, and cold rolled steel for the stators. Regarding the lead wire, it is better to use environmental friendly wire. It has the characteristics of heat resistance and has better performance of electric conduction. If you want to learn more, you can scan this QR code and send us a message. Thank you. Bye bye.